Hello and welcome to the channel My Simple Remedies.
Today we will make a black peel-off mask very similar to a well-known commercial mask. This black peel-off mask is quite effective. As you apply it to your face, it will instantly make your skin glow. Additionally, it will remove blackheads and facial hair. If you went to a salon for this treatment, they would charge $75 to $100 or more. But you can make this mask at home for only a fraction of that cost and achieve the same salon beautiful result. In a moment, we will show you how to make the skin treatment, but first, remember to subscribe to our channel. We will use a double boiler for making the mask. Set a heat-resistant bowl into the boiling water in the top of your double boiler. Add 5 tablespoons of raw milk. Next, add 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder and mix well. You can easily find flavorless gelatin powder at the grocery store. Keep the water boiling for 5 minutes while stirring constantly to avoid scorching. The mixture will become quite thick and free of granules as well. Now add 1 tablespoon activated charcoal powder. Activated charcoal can be found at most grocery, pharmacy, or health food stores, or you can easily buy it online. Continue boiling for 2 more minutes. Stir the mixture constantly. Now our mask is ready, so take it off the heat. Finally, add a very secret ingredient. This is the ingredient that enables our mask to remove facial hair completely: alum powder. After adding only a pinch of alum powder, stir the mixture thoroughly. Take the bowl from the heat and let it set until it's not too hot to use on your bare skin. When it's cooled, apply it generously to your face. It's best to use a clean nylon bristle brush. Okay, let's recap the benefits you can expect from using this peel-off mask. Any black or whiteheads will be completely removed. The alum powder gives the mask a strong grip, so when it's peeled off, even the tiniest of facial hairs are pulled out by the roots. As you know, if you prune leaves from a plant, in time the leaves will grow back. But if the plant is uprooted, it can never grow again. Similarly, the alum powder in our mask removes facial hair permanently. After applying, let your mask dry for at least 30 minutes. Then start peeling it off, always in one direction only. If you're enjoying what you're learning, please take a moment to like this video. For this next step, remember to use cold, even frozen milk only. Soak a tissue or clean cloth in the milk for 30 minutes. This can soak while your mask is drying. After you've removed the mask, use a tissue or cloth to clean off any remaining traces and reduce pores. Using cold milk makes your pores close and gives your skin a glow that cannot be achieved any other way. After cleansing with the milk, apply the moisturizer of your choice and admire the beautiful results. You can stop wasting money by making this treatment at home. The result is the same lustrous glow you would get at a costly salon. We hope you will try this treatment and share your results with us. See you in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.